Here's an update on the orchid, where I cut that stem just about half an inch away from the knot, which is like this, and this is what's coming out of it. It's starting to grow and grow. And this one is a new flowering stem that's came out, and it's got two branches coming out of it, one there and one over here, and it's still growing. And what I've done today, I took it out, I cut some of the roots inside because it was getting full of roots in there, and I repotted it with a new bark and watered it and left it in the water for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to go and put it back to where it belongs on the windowsill. As you can see, the proof that you don't need to throw your orchids. I had this orchid for over 2 years, and every year it flowers twice, sometimes 3 times. So you're getting a constant flower every year, every month, every year. A few weeks later, this is the result, and it's still got a lot to grow yet. And here is the other 2 branches that's growing from the side. They're getting longer. Here's where the new stem growing, where I cut it. Another 3-4 weeks, and that should have more and more flowers on it. The little pods, you've got more little pods there. Sometimes I give him a coffee, about half a teaspoonful. And I leave it in there, let the bug soak up all that water, then I drain it out and I put it back where it belongs, where it likes. That's it. That's all you've got to do. And 2 weeks later, repeat the procedure again.